Jesus Christ. That's not a good sight right there. It's like a crack on the trail. Jesus. Alright. Let me take a picture of what I'm talking about. It's basically a crack. I'll just end up doing a video on this. I'll show you the crack right there. See, that's my this is where I just literally crossed right there. Look how close that is. This is my tire right there. Wow, look at that, guys. This is a crack hole right here. Look at that. Wow, I was pretty close right there. That's not good right there. Look at that. Just to let anyone know that as of Saturday, February the 7th, you can see there's a crack right there. Yeah, I'll just do a circle to show you sort of an area. But wow, look at that, guys. All right, let's head back.